wish for a turkey sandwich on rye bread with lettuce and mustard. Pan, nice hot mustard, good bread. Turkey's a little dry. The turkey's a little dry. Oh, foul accursed thing! What demon from the depths of hell created thee?
Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have Homer's Cursed Turkey Sandwich. And it's really easy. This is a perfect recipe if you're really quick, because this is the only thing we actually have to make. And it's the spicy hot mustard. So you want to go with 1 cup of yellow mustard. And then you want 2 tablespoons of Frank's hot sauce. Any hot sauce will do. I just happen to have Frank's in the fridge. 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Salt and pepper to taste, and I'd throw in at least a 1/4 teaspoon to a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, just depending on how spicy you want your mustard. And then just whisk all this together. I apologize for this shot, but then you just want to pour the mustard into a reusable squeeze bottle and let it chill out in the fridge for at least an hour. All right, let's make the sandwich. Okie dokie. You want to start off with 2 slices of American cheese. I did lightly toast the bread. I'm not the biggest fan of rye bread when it's toasted. I think it gets a little crunchy. But you do you. So 2 slices of American. Then a slice of cheddar jack cheese. Now, Homer didn't specify this, but you can clearly see something resembling tomatoes on the sandwich. So a couple of slices of tomatoes. And you want to add some iceberg lettuce, because iceberg lettuce is the best lettuce for sandwiches. There is no debate in this department. And finally, some deli sliced turkey. Then you want to add a general drizzling of that mustard sauce we made for that nice hot mustard. And then put the 2 halves together. And that's really it. So that's Homer's Cursed Turkey Sandwich. All right, and do a little bit of a pull apart here. And that's it. That's Homer's Cursed Turkey Sandwich. Done.